Hey guys, welcome back to FX Action Trader YouTube channel. My name is Chuan here and we are here again for the upcoming week market analysis. So let us begin with Euro Dollar. So if we're looking at the daily chart on Euro Dollar, we can actually see that on last week, market has broken previous daily low at 1.172 and a new low was made before Friday market close. So, and we combine this with the preceding market trend, which is a strong downtrend, we can actually tell that market is now sell bias than buy bias. So in other words, we should look for a sell trade instead of a buy trade because of this support level failed to hold the market. So, and on H4, we should look for the buy trade at this area, which is previously a support area that now turns into a potential resistance area, and there is a very high chance for market to retest this area and continue the downtrend movement. And on the pound dollar, so on pound dollar on daily chart, we can actually read from the market that market was trading with a strong downtrend previously around May to June, and then market entered a sideways condition, and last week market has again retested the low of this entire daily sideways structure. So if you're looking at H4, all right, the market trend on H4 is actually downtrend. We can see that market has been making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and followed by a new lower low. But market is now trading at the bottom of the sideways structure. But this does not mean that we can go for a buy trade. So in order to make sure that we are trading along with the daily trend, we have to wait market to have a clear break below this sideways structure. So once market show us a clear break below this sideways structure, we are good to scale down and look for a short trade for this pound dollar. So let us have a look on gold. So on gold, I believe that from the past 2 weeks, market has been dropping massively, all right, especially on this day, all right. Market dropped for around 900 pips when the markets opened at the morning. So if you are looking at this entire gold structure, we can actually see that market has been turning from an uptrend to a downtrend, and then market did a pullback, form a double top pattern, and then the drop continued. So on last week, market was actually doing a pullback, and if we switch our chart to H4, we can see that market has been rejecting from this support level, aka resistance level at 1800 or 1790. So in other words, market has been showing us multiple confluences or multiple confirmation that the current market trend is more likely to a sell trend instead of a buy trend. So on this week, we can actually scale in to look for a short trade with the final target at 1725, which is the previous low of this entire market structure. Let us move to the yen pair. So on euro yen, the first thing that we can see is that market is still in a sell trend. Although market has been trading in the sell trend for a long time, there is still no signals for us to go for a buy trade yet. Alright, we did not see market make a new higher high, or we did not see market break a significant resistance level or key level. So in other words, we should only look for a sell trade on euro yen, and if we put on our important key level, we can actually tell that this is the previous support level that now turns into an important resistance level. All right, so there is a very high potential for market to pull back, and we are good to go for a short trade from this zone. So let us have a look on the pound yen. All right, so if we compare the chart between the pound yen to the pound dollar, actually both of these charts share similar behavior or similar structure. So the first thing we can see is that market has been trading in a downtrend, and then market entered a sideways condition, and now market is retesting the low of this sideways structure. So from what we have concluded from the pound dollar chart just now, we should wait for a clear break below this market structure, or a clear break below the sideways structure, and then only we scale down to look for a short trade in our entry time frame or in 1 hour time frame. All right, let us have a look on the Aussie yen. So Aussie yen, I believe that if we are looking at the daily chart, the trend on this Aussie yen is much more clearer compared to the pound yen or euro yen. Market has been making significant lower low, lower high, followed by a new lower low. So if you're looking at H4, we should wait for the pullback and trade only the sell order. All right. In other words, do not try to catch the reversal movement, or do not try to catch any potential pullback, aka the short-term buy trend. All right. So if we're looking at this H4 chart, we should only wait for a sell trade when market do a pullback towards 1758 or towards this highlighted zone. And the last pair for this week, dollar CAD. So dollar CAD has been a very interesting pair along the week. So first thing first, we can see that market has been trading for downtrend for quite some time. All right, I believe that is more than 6 months or 7 months, and this downtrend trendline on daily chart was finally broken on June, and then trade market started to trade in an uptrend condition, and we can see that from the past week, this higher low area was actually respected. All right, market break out and made a new high, pull back and retested this higher low level, and then last week the new high level was again broken, and we can see that market formed a new high level. So if we are looking at H4, there are actually two potential zones that we can scale in for a trade. The first zone is actually this neckline area. All right, if we are plotting our chart according to the daily chart, so this is the first area that we can look for a buy trade. And the second zone that we can go for a buy trade is actually the nearest higher low of this entire H4 trend. So in other words, we should wait for a retracement and scale down for a buy trade on dollar CAD. Alright, so guys, that's all for this week video. I hope you guys get some trading ideas from this video, and feel free to comment at the section below. Alright, see you guys again in my next video. Have a good day.